Hey, what's going on, traders? This is Chris at Verillo Trading. I welcome you to this video. In this video, I wanted to talk about Interactive Brokers launching their spot crypto and spot gold products, and I want to give you a little bit of information that I was able to find on this recently. So if you don't know about this YouTube channel, my name is Chris and I operate this channel. We talk about trading and trading platforms, trading psychology, and that kind of stuff. Feel free to check out other videos on the channel. Leave a like and subscribe. Let's get to the content. There's no flashy intros here. Let's go. So IB released spot crypto trading pretty recently, and you can actually go on YouTube and type in IBKR spot crypto, and you're going to find an interview with the founder Thomas Peterffy did with Yahoo Finance, and he talks about some things, and I like the way he answered the questions in that video. It's pretty interesting the way he talked about it. They asked him if he holds crypto and gold in his portfolio, and he said yes. And then they asked him if he's adding to it, and he's like, not really. So it's just pretty badass. Okay, so there's a decent amount of information on this online, and you just simply need to do a bit of Google search. But in this video, I tried to consolidate some of the information so that way you don't have to go and break your head finding it. So hopefully this could serve as an informational purpose to people trying to search about trading spot crypto with Interactive Brokers. The first thing I got to tell you is that since I'm Canadian as well, this is not supported in Canada right now. Unfortunately, the spot crypto trading is not available in Canada. The way I was able to find out was actually by asking IB, but you can actually find it on their frequently asked questions page, which is a pretty reliable source here if you're asking very sort of basic questions about fees, account stuff, or basic stuff about trading products. So I'm going to link you to that down below. But basically what you can do is just type in IBKR FAQ, and you'll be linked to their frequently asked questions page. And this is pretty much the library that I think is a pretty good reference for clients. So what you do is when you're on this page, find products, then go all the way down to crypto trading. And then here you're going to see a lot of the popular questions that come up in regards to the new spot crypto that they enabled here. So the first thing you need to determine is if you're eligible to trade it. So we click here, and then they're going to say you're eligible to trade cryptocurrency if you have an individual, joint, or trust account under an IB LLC entity. Now, when we click on read more, we see the list of countries that it's supported in. So what we'll determine here is that Canada is not one of the supported countries currently. So I guess this video would be more helpful right now for my US boys and girls, or if you live in any one of these countries. And I think, just by looking at these countries, I think I would rather be in one of these places right now, but let's not get off topic. Long story short here, you need to go into your trading platform and you need to pull up these spot crypto symbols here, and you're going to see this symbol pop up next to them, which is Paxos. And if you hover your mouse over it, they'll tell you that Paxos is a New York limited trust company. If you place an order in a spot cryptocurrency, that order will be placed with Paxos, not Interactive Brokers. And your positions will be held in your name at Paxos, not Interactive Brokers. So basically, IB signed a deal with them to offer spot crypto to IB customers. Okay, so I'll give you an example using the trading platform now. So I've got a quote board here, and I've put the spot crypto symbols in the quote board, and I'm going to show you how to bring these up. You basically open up a brand new spot in your quote board, and you can type in one of these symbols. So I'll type in BTC, enter, and you can see the top one that comes up here is the Bitcoin cryptocurrency here, Paxos. You have to see the Paxos symbol next to it, and that's when you know it's the spot crypto. So we bring that up. And in order to trade this, well, of course, you're going to have to be in one of the eligible countries, but you also need to activate the trading permission. You're going to have to go up to your account settings, and then where it says set trading permissions. Now, if you try and do this in a Canadian account or in a country that it's not supported, you're just going to get brought to a menu where it just doesn't give you the option to do anything. And basically that means that it's not supported in your country. So you need to know that. If it is supported in your country, you're going to have to activate it. It's going to be something like United States cryptocurrency. You just turn it on and say you have 10 years of experience. No, say you have no experience because you're a crypto boy who just wants to go along and hold it. Just kidding. So BTC. Okay, so let's talk about placing orders. Placing orders, once you have your trading permissions activated here, is very simple. So you simply prompt an order by either right-clicking and then selecting buy or sell, or you can program a button to do it like you normally do. And then when you click on the quantity column here, this is where you get brought up to a menu that is relatively new here. And what's interesting is that when you select an amount of US dollars, it's going to automatically calculate how much that is in BTC. So I imagine this is pretty common, especially if you use other crypto platforms. But the difference between IB here is that I think, and again, I'm not for sure, I think that they are undercutting a lot of their competition on this spot crypto type of trading here. So when I select 1,000 USD, it tells me that it's 0.02 of a Bitcoin. Now, what I was referring to about undercutting their competition is if you go onto their website and just basically search up for IBKR spot crypto, you're going to get brought up to this menu here, and it'll tell you that the commissions are low. And then, of course, if you go down, they're going to show you a sheet that compares it to their biggest competitors like Gemini, Coinbase, etc. And from what I've seen also, a lot of the major crypto providers, their commission is around 0.5% for every trade. Sometimes it can go as low as 0.25%. In this scenario, we can see here 0.18%. So if you put on $1,000 trade and you just wanted to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, your commission on that would generally be $1.80, according to this sheet right here. So you would have to definitely try it. And the other thing we can talk about here is also the US gold, or the spot gold, that they recently released as well. And they also have a web page for that they created. So just search up IBKR US spot gold, and it'll also be on the same sort of page when you search for their products on their website. Again, low transparent commissions, and the quantity goes as small as 1 ounce of gold. I'm not a gold specialist, but someone would be able to know better. So here they give you an outline of the low and transparent fees. It looks to be some sort of a tiered commission system. That is, when you have a larger trade value, the commission is lower. So basically they're giving people the opportunity here to gain exposure to the gold spot market. If we scroll down a little bit, they also talk about taking physical delivery, and you can also browse that FAQ to learn more about this. So overall, I think this is a very interesting addition, and in a time where crypto is picking up a lot of steam. And this video is not giving anybody investment advice. I'm not saying you should buy crypto or sell it or do anything. This is just an educational video. I just wanted to show you that spot cryptocurrency is available with this broker, and you might as well check it out. If you wanted to short Bitcoin or gain short exposure to it, you can also look at the micro Bitcoin futures, which trade on Chicago. Or you can look at some of the leveraged exchange traded products like Grayscale Bitcoin or Grayscale Ethereum. I'm really not a crypto boy, guys, but if you guys have any questions regarding this stuff, or if you guys have any suggestions or ideas you wanted to share, please put them in the comments below. And this was just a short video about IBKR crypto. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.